So the other thing to call out on this printer is the ability to print very, very small labels. So you think about labels that are used in electronics, chip manufacturing, electronic assembly, medical devices. We have the ability on the ZT600 to print on labels as small as 3 millimeter square, so extremely small labels. And the idea behind that is being able to hold that information on the label time and time again as you print thousands of those labels off. What we've seen in competitive printers is as they start printing, the first 50 labels might look good, and then the labels start drifting off the side. The barcode starts drifting off the side label because it's so small. So being able to hold that very, very tight registration is something that we've spent a lot of time in the design of this particular printer. So printing those very, very small labels, again, it's somewhat of a niche market, but for those customers who need those very small labels, we can do that.
What does 3 millimeter equal in inches? I know the conversion. Do you know?
Very small.
under a quarter.
Under a quarter of an inch, yeah.
Okay, that's good. That's
Yeah.
really good.
Yeah. So this is just a quick summary of the communications and connectivity options now, and items that come standard and those that are optional with the 600. So standard is USB, increase the Ethernet to gigabit Ethernet, still have serial. Bluetooth, so again, Bluetooth is something we're adding new to all of our industrial printers. The idea behind that is you can connect mobile computers and that Android printer step utility really interact with the printer via your mobile device versus the front panel of the printer. Active NFC, that's that print touch feature we talked about with Link OS. And then we have dual USB host ports on the front of the printer. So these aren't powered ports, so the idea behind that is you could take a thumb drive and have your printer files and firmware on it and download it to the printer through the thumb drive if you want to do it to that mechanism. And then optional, we've upgraded to the latest wireless LAN AC, 802.11ac, and parallel. We still have customers who want parallel communications. And that was standard on the XI, so we made an option now. We didn't want to burden the cost of the printer, we just want to put in USB parallel ports in all the printers. And it's kind of the communication connectivity options.
What is it says BTLE on ZT500, what is it on the 600?
It's standard Bluetooth.